Hello, Life is creating and sharing. Today, I want to share with you growing my lemongrass. It's very, very easy to grow. When I get a piece of lemongrass, it's like the whole thing. And then, of course, today is June 8th, 2022, 0 week. It's just like that. And then I cut into half, and then will be like this. 50% to eat, 50% to grow. And straight put this into water, a little bit soil. So this is after 1 week, and then you can see no roots. And after 2 weeks, May 25th, and has some roots. And 3 weeks, May 19th, a lot of roots. So for sure, then you can put this straight into soil and then become a lemongrass plants. It's so easy to grow. I got 100% growing. So I hope you can try. Just buy a piece of lemongrass and cut into two, eat 50% and grow 50%. So easy and so simple. So life is creating and sharing, and I hope you have luck growing your lemongrass at home. And instead of growing the whole thing, and just go 50% and eat 50%. So easy, right? Life is creating and sharing, and I hope you enjoy. Bye-bye.